In this video, I'm going to show you how you search on the events page. The search bar is very prominent on this page. As you can see, it's right at the top left corner. And it's asking us to add a search term. And what it means by that is selecting a string of text that you can input into that box that's going to bring up or filter down your receipts. Right now, we have about 3,000 transactions to look through, which is far too many. So we want to narrow that down to only transactions that we care about. And we do that by inputting search terms, such as refund. When I type in refund, you'll notice on the receipt that refund is shown like this. So it is pulling only the receipts in which refund is present. Now, if I want to dive into this a little deeper, I need to add additional search filters to my search bar. Now, I want to see cash refunds, so I'm going to type in the word cash. Now, the problem with typing in the word cash is that I'm seeing debit cards and I'm seeing cash and also Visa and stuff like that. But I'm also noticing that this text string right here is being highlighted because of the word cashier. So the system is showing me any receipt with CASH in it, which happens to be cashier as well. But if I look at paid cash, this right here is how I need to search it if I want the system to only provide results that include refund and cash transactions, because cash transactions are showing up as paid cash. So I can actually highlight that, right click, and select add paid cash. Now I'm going to remove cash from here. And you'll notice now we're only left with refunds that include cash. So something to keep in mind, again, when you're doing searches on the events page, you really want to identify specific ways of inputting text to ensure that you're getting the results that you want. And that is a good example of a small difference between using just cash and paid cash that will make a world of difference later on when you're just trying to find those cash refunds that you're looking for. Now you can search anything on a transaction. So if you want to include just the store number for refunds at this store number, you can do that as well. And you could use the search feature to find transactions that customers are questioning whether or not they received the right amount of change. You can actually even use this to review different discounts that are being used by your employees. For instance, I'm going to type in manager, which is bringing up all my manager discounts. But I also want to see when a receipt includes both a staff discount and a manager discount. So I'm going to add staff as well. Now I don't add those together, such as manager staff in the same search field, because then the system's only going to look for a string of text or a line of text that includes both manager and staff. I need to separate those two to say, hey, show me only manager and line items that have staff as well. And here we can see we have some transactions in which a staff discount and a manager discount are both on the transaction at the same time. So that's how we leverage our search filter on the events page to really drill down from thousands of transactions down to the ones that matter most, such as policy abuse when it comes to discounts.